Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Indorama Synthetic. This is a good company with good financials. So I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Let's analyze the swing trade in this video. This is the monthly chart of Indorama Synthetic Limited. The monthly chart shows the stock is in a downfall for more than 10 years. It's almost from the listing, and currently the stock shows a bullishness in the current market price. So it's going long in the stock is very good, and the volumes are also favoring the bull run. So let's analyze the stock further. This is the monthly chart of Indorama Synthetic. So let me draw the trend line to the wicks of the Indorama monthly chart. This wick shows the stock is out of the range which was followed from the listing. Currently the share is out of the range, which is very positive for the stock, and the stock is currently traded very violently on the upside. So going long in the stock is very good. So let's analyze the stock further on weekly chart. In weekly chart, the stock is above the major resistance level, which is a downfall trend line, and the stock also shows a bullishness, so that the stock is once again up from the major resistance line. So this line can be considered as the resistance for the stock. The stock took the both resistance levels, and currently another resistance is here. The stock should trade above this level to give a multi-bagger return in the stock. So if the stock trades above the 58 range, then one can go long with blind eye, because the stock is extraordinarily bullish and the volumes are also favoring the bull run. So let's move to the daily chart now. Before moving to the daily chart, I recommend you to subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis, and you will also get the notifications of the videos published immediately. And if you like the video, hit like button. Feel free to comment below and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So let's move to the daily chart now. This is the daily chart of Indorama Synthetic. So the stock is in the consolidation for more than a month, and the stock now gave a breakout from that range, but the stock could not sustain at that level and formed a bearish engulfing and came down to the support level. So the stock is currently in the retracement area. After retracement, the stock will move up. So one can take entry at current market price, and safer entries should be taken only above the 52 range, which will be safer to enter, because the stock is highly volatile. So one should be careful before taking entries, but the stock is at a good support area, so the probability of downfall is very less from that price. So going long in the stock is very good, and long term positions can also be placed because the stock is in a long term breakout. So going long for long term purposes is also good in the stock. So for the short term, the stock will give a fantastic return, so one can enter. The safer entries can be taken above the 62 range. 62 can be taken as the entry price for the stock, and 78 range can be taken as the first target for the stock, which is almost a 20% upside from the price of entry, which is for safe entries. But entry at current market price will give a 50% return, nearly 50% return for its investors. So that's all for today. One can take entry above the 62 range, which can be taken as a safer entry, and at current market price is also good to buy. In this stock is currently in a bullish territory, so the current market price entry will yield a return of 44%. So it's subscribe button and hit like button if you like the video, and feel free to comment below. Thank you.